Good afternoon, everyone. I've been grading your LinkedIn papers, and there seems to be some confusion among both classes about where to find the directions to include all the components of an assignment and how you can find help getting an assignment done. And so I'm going to show you about the LinkedIn assignment, and then I'm also going to, which is past, I know, but some of you, because of your grade, I have offered and suggested that you redo it. So I want to try and help you do that. And the other part is that before we get too far along into the week, and I do know it's Thursday, I want to show you about week 3, and kind of week 3 will set the pace for the other weeks as well. Okay, so here we go. All right, on the LinkedIn assignment, when you click on it, all right, so you have this information here. You can't just stop here. You need to use the scroll bar. And so it says, spend some time researching mission, membership information, who can join. The live view covered this, and where things are kind of falling apart is, if I can get this to come down, step 2, summarize LinkedIn. You have to have your title, your full name in the header. This is the introduction, include a thesis statement, the company background, and the mission. Should you suggest, okay, paragraph 4 is the conclusion, and you keep going. And step 3 is formatting it. You have to have a title on the first line, centered, bold, and font size of 14. Paragraph format, 5 to 6 sentences, be double spaced, complete sentences, and correct grammar. Citing your references, and here's where you can get help citing your references. Some of you are having trouble citing the references. And then how to submit. You're not having any trouble submitting the file for an assignment, okay? And then I'm suggesting that you review the rubric down here to self-grade yourself before you send it to me. This is just to make sure you've done everything you need to do, okay? Now, let's look at assignment 3. Oh, and before we go on to assignment 3, let me get it going back there. For each assignment, and some of it kind of looks like Angel, and that's okay. I haven't redone part of it, but part of it doesn't, so you can still get what you need. Here's the discussion. Here is assignment explanation, how to, and I break that down into 1 paragraph, 2 paragraphs, 3 paragraphs, 4, okay? All right, let's look at week 3. The newsletter assignment. Remember, here's an assignment video. So newsletter assignment, when you open this up, again, we have the scroll tab right here. Here's the instructions. There's your starter document. That means it gives you the base information of what to write the information on. You do not have to create this newsletter. You have this. And then you have to add additional content or additional information to the starter document. Okay? And it provides information about the applications. You don't need to add any additional about the applications. All right? And then down here, format the newsletter. Using Word, format it in the following way. You have to add a clip one image or clip art, and I can't talk. Put your name and date in the header. Include a footer. Give your newsletter a title, which is a different font from the rest of the document, centered across the entire document, font size of 36 and a color black. 2 columns for the newsletter, except the title. 2 bulleted lists, include 1 paragraph, include a paragraph, and then save and submit it, okay? And when you're done, the newsletter must be professional. And again, here's the grading rubric. All right. So you need to scroll down all the way till this is at the end. So I want to go back to the modules and show you. I may have to make this a YouTube link, partly because Canvas is going a little slow, partly because I'm trying to show you so much information. So we're still waiting. It's almost there. Okay. So if you look down here, here it says assignment videos. Before I clip that, I want to show you, okay? So week 4, here's your Excel assignment. There's the video. Week 5, there's a fuel cost assignment. There's a video. I'm having to redo the ones for the midterm, okay? But you'll get the ones, and here's assignment 7. There's a video, okay? So each week, to give you a glimpse of what it has to be done, I provide a video for you. Plus, you can always ask me. But let's go back to week 3. There's the newsletter. Here's the video. And there's 2 of them in this case. Here's the explanation of the assignment where it goes through the whole thing for you. It does offer sound, but right now they're having trouble with the sound. If this doesn't work, I'll send it to you individually. Just let me know. And in this portion, I show you what it should look like. Now, like I said, the title should be your own. You should do your own thing. This is not to duplicate my example, but just to give you a clue of what to do. Okay? Like I say, if you can't hear this, you can go onto YouTube. Right here's the address for that one, and there's a YouTube address for that one. Okay? So you can just click here and go to YouTube and see the same thing. All right? If you have any questions, remember, you can always ask me. If you've been one of the ones I suggested that you can talk to me about a resubmission, make sure you email me and we'll set up a time, or we can email back and forth about how to do it. Okay? All right. Take care.